In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a tag in ConvertKit. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right into the process. First off, let's talk about what tags are. In ConvertKit, tags are an excellent way to organize your subscribers and segment your audience. They're like little labels that help you keep track of who your subscribers are and what they're interested in. However, there might come a time when you need to delete a tag, whether it's because it's outdated, you've changed your strategy, or simply because it doesn't serve a purpose anymore. Whatever the reason, don't worry. It's a straightforward process. To get started, open up your web browser and log into your ConvertKit account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. The dashboard is your main control center, where you can access all the different functions of ConvertKit. Now, look for the Subscribers tab on the left-hand menu, click on that, and it will take you to a page where you can manage all of your subscribers. This page should show you a list of your current subscribers, along with their tags. Remember, you need to delete a tag and not just remove it from specific subscribers, so this is the right place to begin. Next, locate the Tags section. This is generally found right above or beside your subscriber list. When you click on Tags, you'll see all the tags that you've created within your account. Look through this list carefully and find the tag that you wish to delete. It's always a good idea to double-check that you're selecting the correct one, especially if you have a lot of tags. Once you've found the tag you want to delete, hover over it. When you do this, you'll notice that different options appear, including the option to, edit, or delete. Go ahead and click on Delete. Now this is an important step, so pay close attention. Once you select Delete, a confirmation message will pop up on your screen. ConvertKit takes this confirmation step seriously to ensure that you don't accidentally delete something you didn't mean to. Read the confirmation message carefully. It will typically say something like, "Are you sure you want to delete this tag?" If you're absolutely sure that you want to proceed, confirm your action. Once you've confirmed, the tag will be permanently deleted from your account. It's worth noting that deleting a tag will not affect your subscribers' information themselves, but instead just removes the tag association. After you delete the tag, you will be automatically redirected to the Tags page where you can see the updated list. Don't forget to give the page a quick refresh, just to ensure everything is up to date. You can take a moment to double-check that the tag you wanted to delete is indeed gone. One last bit of advice. It's always a good idea to periodically review your tags. This way, you can ensure that they remain relevant to your current marketing strategy. Tags that no longer serve a purpose can clutter your workspace and make it harder to navigate through your subscribers. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to delete a tag in ConvertKit. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving it a thumbs up. Your support means a lot to us and helps us create more content just like this. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions or comments about this process, feel free to leave them below. Happy tagging!